Hi friends! Today I just wanted to give you a little tour of my creative workshop space for when I have classes and workshops. And this is it right here. And this is all of the stuff that people can use when they come to one of my creative workshops or an open studio or whatever. So here we'll start with a bunch of paints and mediums, colors that I've mixed together, some watercolor, very watered down watercolor, some heavy gessos and clear gessos, texture pastes, all of that kind of stuff. And then here I've got a three-tiered basket kind of thing with all kinds of acrylic paints in it. Here I've got some color swatches, if anybody likes doing color matching or anything like that. And then I've got some masking tape, because that's always fun for all kinds of stuff. I've got a bunch of squirt bottles, hand sanitizer if you're a germ freak like me, or if you want to clean your stamps or all kinds of stuff. You can use hand sanitizer for all kinds of things in art, actually. All right, this is actually supposed to be here, but I will show you what it is. So first, I also have a stapler. I have some washi tape. I've got some protective lotions for your hands. And here I've got all kinds of mark making fun stuff. So I've got colored pens here, and I've got black and white China markers here. And I've got paint markers here, and the colors, I think, just gold and white. And then here, these are watercolor pencils. And then here I have micron pens and white jelly roll pens in a few different sizes. And then here, these are watercolor or water soluble crayons as well. And then I've got a bunch of water brushes. I have some more water-soluble crayons, waxy crayons. They're called gelatos. And then I've got some more water-soluble crayons. I've got a lot of water-soluble fun little things here. And then I've got a bunch of glues for collage or whatever. Okay, now to this one. So this one I've got some watercolor pencils again. And then some more watercolor palettes. And then this is a whole container of brand new. Oh, I can't open it for some reason. I'm trying very hard to keep my camera as still as possible. Anyway, here is a bunch of brand new, never used, beautiful, colorful, colored pencils. And then I have a bunch of different stickers and things for art journaling or card making or whatever you want. Put that one back. And then in this one, this is one of my favorite ones, I have an unmounted rubber stamp that is like a cursive script, and then, or French script, whatever you call it. And then I've got some inks and then some stamps. There's all kinds in here. There's rainbows, there's like love, and then some dream catchers. Go ahead and put this back. Whoops. Okay, and then here we've got some flat brushes, some angled brushes, all kinds of palette knives. I mean, we've got all kinds of different sizes, shapes, plastic, metal. All right, and then a bunch more markers, colored pencils, some handmade stamps, and then this, oh, look how pretty. These are my chalk pastels. Love those. And then in this, we've got a ton of scissors, more pencils, mechanical pencils, these compass pencils, I think that's what they're called, these. And then a bunch of sponges for doing like collage. And then I've got all of these different, some catalyst tools that make different marks. And then these Bondo scrapers that you can use for collage or mark making, spreading paint. And then we've got a bunch of makeup sponges that you can use for stenciling or all kinds of things. And then speaking of stencils, we've got all of these different letter stencils and number stencils. And then we've got a bunch over here, some feathers. What do we have here? Honeycomb, some flowers, some lace ones I know I've got in there, some clocks, some birds, more birds, flowers, butterflies, some more alphabet letter ones. I've actually got a few different styles, and then some more script, and then some more designs, and then behind there I think there's some more feather stencils. And then over here, these are rub-on transfers that you can use for making cards or art journaling. And then here are some fun sticker sayings that you can like mix and match. Those are really cool. This is a map book that you can rip out pieces of map. That's really cool. This here is a whole scrapbook, unused scrapbook. See, and then there's an overflow of paint there and here. And then I've got bamboo skewers, popsicle sticks, some index cards, a bunch of oil pastels. I think there's probably 3 different brands in there. And then I've got some watercolor and gouache. And then here I've just got some really pretty hand-dyed cheesecloth and fabrics that I've made. Those are super fun and so pretty. I guess that's it. Oh, there's some more watercolor here in this bin. And I've got tons of other art supplies around the room, such as this big old mess, which needs to be organized. So this is just like pieces of cardboard, burlap, corrugated cardboard, old palette paper, bubble wrap, old egg cartons that you can use for print making, mono printing, jelly plates, all kinds of stuff, coffee filters, tissue papers, just tons of scrap papers. So, I mean, there's just stuff everywhere in here to have fun and get artistic and creative. So I hope that some of you will be coming to join me. And I hope that you enjoyed this video and seeing some of my really cool, fun, artsy stuff that I've got. All of these art supplies. I love them. They make me very excited. And then over here in mine, I guess I can show you my spot too, where I have a bunch as well. So anyway, that's it. Oh yeah, and I've also got a bunch of aprons, easels, and my art closet. I've got 4 tables, 8 chairs, so I have plenty of space. Right now, I'll just do a pullback. This is my space that I have, and yeah, it's a decent size. I'm not sure of the square footage, but a couple people in here would be just fine. So like I said, I hope some people will be coming to join me and doing some painting, some art journaling, canvas painting, whatever you want. Let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great night. Bye.